Welcome back. In our last video, we looked at how to choose the right words. Today, we are looking at how to organize those words using punctuations. Many students see punctuation as a set of rules to avoid errors, but top-tier writers see it as a set of tools to create rhythm and impact. If you look at the AO5 mark scheme, to get into the top bands, you need a range of punctuations used for effect. This means you aren't just using full stops and commas correctly. You are choosing to use a semicolon or a dash because it changes how the reader feels the sentence. Let's look at the big three upgrades. First, the semicolon. It's used to link two sentences that are closely related. It creates a smooth transition. Second, the colon. Think of this as a drum roll. It says, get ready. Here comes the list or the explanation. And finally, the dash. This is great for adding a bit of personality or emphasis to a point. Now, we have to talk about the grade killer, the comma splice. This is when you try to join two full sentences with just a comma. It's the most common error in IGCSE writing. Let's take a look at this slide. The exam was difficult. I didn't have enough time. That's a mistake. You must use a semicolon, a full stop, or a connective. Fixing this one error can instantly jump your grades up. Punctuation also controls pacing. Short sentences are fast and dramatic. Long, multi-clause sentences are slow and descriptive. By mixing them, you create a rhythm that keeps the examiner interested. And don't forget, voice. Using brackets for a quick aside or a rhetorical question to challenge your audience makes your writing feel alive. Let's quickly practice now. Here's a basic paragraph. Volunteering is a great way to help people. You learn new things and meet new friends. You should try it soon. It's fine, but it's a bit primary school. Now pause the video and give it a makeover. Let's try. Volunteering is more than just a hobby. It's a way to change lives. You see, you gain three things: experience, friends, and perspectives. You should try it, and soon. Brilliant work! You are now writing with rhythm. In our next and final video of the vocabulary, spellings, punctuation, and grammar series, we are looking at spelling and grammar. We'll cover those tricky, high-level rules that ensure your writing is polished and professional. See you there.